Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys we're going to detail this Audi Q5, which is a bit newer and a bit bigger than the Audi Q2 that I detailed in the previous video. Before I get to the contact wash of the wheel, I use Bill Hamber Auto Wheel and I coat the tire, the wheel and the wheel arch with touchless and then do a pre-wash. And then I use Auto Direct Wheel and Tire Cleaner. And the pre-wash process makes the contact wash a lot easier. And in between cleaning the wheels, I pre-rinse my brushes. I didn't count the dilution ratio for the new touchless on this snow foam lens. I just used a common dilution ratio for all the snow foams on the market, which is about 1:5. So for the contact wash, I'm using the same car soap as in the previous video, which is Bill Hamber Auto Wash. So this area specifically was very contaminated, and I used the brush with a little bit of Surfix HD to give it a deeper clean. So all the drying stage and the touch-up stage is pretty much the same as on the Audi Q2 that I've done previously. So if you want, you can check out that video. So the exterior wash went really well. However, the interior didn't go well because of the weather. Started raining, and I was planning to do an extraction on the seats, so I had to wait around about an hour. So I didn't film how I cleaned the carpets and whatnot, and the weather is very hectic. It's been really sunny, and all of a sudden it started raining, and about half an hour later it stopped raining, and as you can see there's heavy stains, but I will show you the after video, and I think the interior came out really well. What I really want to highlight is this brush attachment I got from Amazon. It's very soft and it's really easy to use, rather than holding a brush and a vacuum cleaner at the same time. So I addressed some heavy stains on the interior, and I repeated the same process that I did in my previous videos. I use a drill brush with some all-purpose cleaner and a vacuum extractor. So this is pretty much the last part of the video that I could film, guys. A few minutes later it started raining heavily, but nonetheless, after it stopped raining, I finished the job, and I'm going to show you the finished result. What really stood out to me on the exterior wash were the wheels because they were kind of deep cleaned, and the gloss and shine on those things were very impressive.